Hi guys, I am Pawan Samala, and in this video we're going to talk about something really important, which I guess most of you would be waiting for: LinkedIn connections. How to build proper LinkedIn connections and how to stay connected and ace the LinkedIn game basically, and get to know all the people you're connected with a bit closely, and what all you have to do to get close and get to know with your connections and build a proper bond with your connections, right? LinkedIn connections. So everything we're going to know in this video, and I am going to share my laptop screen right here. So let's switch to another angle and I'm going to share that from there. Hi guys, let's get started the video, and I'll just share my screen right here and let's get started. Okay, so this is my profile. Okay, you can see I have a decent cover photo here. Creator, startup enthusiast, marketing. I'm interested in marketing, I've kept it there. I'm a startup enthusiast, I love startups, that's there. I'm a creator, that's there, right? Decent photo, plain background and all of that. That's just there on LinkedIn because it's a professional platform. Okay, Elite Spark Bridge, the company I founded. Ashwini Group, the company I'm working with as a tech marketing intern. Content creator at YouTube. Mahindra University is my college. Okay, I have around 1466 connections. Now, number of connections doesn't matter. Okay, number of connections doesn't matter. If you have 100 connections, if you can connect with maybe 60 70 people, that matters. Now if I have 1500 connections and I can only connect and only maybe 50 people know me, that who I am, it doesn't matter, right? At least if 500 people know me because of my posts or whatever it is, then that will make a difference. It's one third of your audience, right? 100 people, I said 160 people would know you out of 100 is 60%, right? Which is huge. Doesn't matter, people should know you, that's it. What do you have to do for it? Let me tell you. Analytics, this is private to me, outside cannot watch this. If you're first time on LinkedIn, right, everything, these three are private. Okay, 142 profile views, 1224 post impressions in the last 7 days, 82 search appearances. Okay, pretty fine, pretty decent. I'll tell you how. Okay, if this number seems low to you, I know I haven't posted in the last 2 weeks properly, and the last post was just this one, which has around 825 ish impressions. Okay, the rest are from the rest post. 400 are from the other posts which I posted more than 2 weeks back. Okay, I'll show you that right now. This is just about me, what I do, what I have done in the past and everything. That's just a brief intro and top skills. This part should be very precise and very clear, because when your friend or when some random person opens your profile, the only thing they look at is photo, what you have done, where are you working, this profile, the cover photo, and about yourself and your top skills. And probably if they would roll down, they would look at your experiences. Probably, maybe these days people have less attention span, so I think it'll come till here and stop. If they're not interested, back. If they don't know you, back. If you're not in mutual connections, back. That's how it works. Let me show you the latest post. As I said, I'm working as a tech marketing intern. I've started 3 days ago. 831 impressions. Okay, here onto this post. So I have a secret hack for LinkedIn, and I'll tell that at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay, and let's look at the posts I've done. I'll tell you the hack after we look at it. Okay, 238 impressions, 794 impressions, pretty decent, because that's for a hiring. This is pretty small, I don't know, this is really small, but still has got 794. The highest one I've gotten is 4560 or something. I'll just show you that as well. Okay, just for a reference, I'm not boasting off or showing off something, but just for you guys to get more clarity, it can go up to that level. Some creators have around lakhs or millions of impressions on LinkedIn as well, right? So I didn't reach that level, but still I know the basics, because I'm using LinkedIn from the last 3.5 years, so I can explain you what it is, how do you use LinkedIn and all of that. So I'll show you that post once and just explain the rest. Okay, so you should find that post maybe here somewhere. Yes, that's gone up maybe. Let's just find that post. I don't know where it is. 4500. Yeah, this one. freelance video editor. Okay, 4,560 impressions almost, 51 comments, 1 repost. I don't know who this is, but yeah, he has done a repost, so thank you so much. 26 likes, right? Look at the impressions, 4560. Damn, huge, right? So the secret hack I've want to tell you, see, it has increased again. The secret hack was, when you're posting on LinkedIn, post with photos or videos, predominantly photos or videos, not single text. Because a post on LinkedIn, when it's going on the feed, I'll show you with an example. When it's going on someone's feed, see, this is a photo, okay? My college has posted, okay? See, half of your page, half of your screen, more than half of your screen is occupied with this particular photo, right? And when a person opens his LinkedIn, his LinkedIn, goes on to his home page, you'll pop up, your photo will pop up. They'll look at it for a second. They'll just be curious of what you have written. They'll read it if they have time. If they won't, but still that photo will be popped up. They'll look at your face. If they look at you, if you keep posting continuously, it'll come up on their feed. Okay, if you're on their feed, some or the other way you will be attracted. They'll be attracted to your feed. They'll be attracted to what you're doing. You're posting again and again. Some people will get annoying. They'll be like, "Arey, kya kar raha hai? Why is he posting too much?" and all that. They'll click on the profile. What does he do? Why is he posting this much? They'll get frustrated. That's also one way of getting reach on LinkedIn as well. So that's how it works. So this is how it works on LinkedIn. I want you guys to post on LinkedIn and check how everything works, and try experimenting everything on LinkedIn, right? So with this, let's end this video. And I know it's a short video, but I think you guys have enjoyed a lot, and I'll meet you in the next video. So stay tuned, stay connected, do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and do follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. The links are also in the description. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video throughout.